Oh my God. It's giving I'm ready for the motherfucking It's a Blur tour. It's giving Drake put me up on stage like Kiki Power. Friend, it's been hot as hell outside, so don't tell me your ass been sitting there wearing a lace front wig with that shit lifting up. I know that glue getting on your nerves, it's irritating you. We have to save those for the winter, okay? It's okay to put them to rest, okay? We're gonna get back in style with our clip-ins, okay? So I got some clip-ins from Amazon, and I'll have them in my description box below. I want you guys to go ahead and just watch me. This is my first time putting them in, so this is gonna be your first time seeing them. We're gonna review them, see if they worth the hype, or do we just honestly need to go back to the clothes. It came in a bag like this, a big Amazon bag, and then it came in a pink bag. Then we got one of these. And of course, you know, like hair people always throw in lashes. Let's talk about what scared me. So what scared me is it came rolled up in a bag like this. So you know, if you was big on pack hair, baby, you know this is giving 27 piece. And if we give it 27 piece, Amazon gonna have to see me.
Somebody gotta see me. Somebody gotta see me.
Like, I can't afford to do the 27 piece right now. I know it's hot as hell, and I know I'm stressing about it being hot, but the 27 piece was pushing it. That's what it looked like. Don't it look like a little 27 piece rolled up in there? Like the front part, the swoop part. I don't have time for this. But when I took it out, it actually looked like this, which was really, really luscious. That's what I loved about it. It came with an extra clip if needed. And this is the hair. Oh my God. First of all, let's talk about how luscious it is. It is very, very luscious. It's nice in density. I love the ends. We don't have no problem with no split ends at the top, which is really good. So I'm gonna get up close and honestly show you the bundle so you can see it. So far, so good. We're gonna cut this up and get it put in. I got 18 and a 16 because, friend, where you going with one box of clip-ins? Or one pack of clip-ins? Friend, that ain't it. We're not doing that no more, baby. That's giving 2016 on down. We're not doing that no more with the one pack of clip-ins. We need full and luscious, but natural. Okay, so it comes with 2 small pieces, 2 like medium pieces, 2 pieces up from the medium piece, and 2 large pieces. So it comes with a lot. It comes with a lot. Like, I'm not saying one to do, probably not for me, but it comes with a lot of pieces. I do feel like I should have washed this though, because the hair is just so silky. Like, it's like the perfect silk for like bundles. Like, I could have sewn this in my head. That's how good the silk is. But we're going for very natural. We want that Amore Jada, so yeah. I need to get a mirror. I need to get a mirror, and then we're gonna start clipping these bad boys in because I need to see.
I liked you better on the first date. I should have said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it now, you should have been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, so deep. So deep, you should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine. And the way that you can't say my name don't seem right. always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. So I'm the one that's out of place, I'm the one that's in the way. I don't communicate, I'm so spoiled. So I'm the one that need a break. Like you ain't stay in my place, but you the one that came home late. I liked you better on the first date. I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it now, you should've been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, it's so deep. So deep, you should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine. And the way that you can't say my name don't seem right. But I know when to go and to stop at the green light. Oh, I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. So I'm the one that's out of place, I'm the one that's in the way. I don't communicate, I'm so spoiled. So I'm the one that need a break. Like you ain't stay in my place, but you the one that came home late.
Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. I don't have every piece in there. Maybe I should put a piece like, maybe I should put one. I don't know. Alright, you guys, so let me get back to them. This is what it looks like. Y'all, it's so thick because my real hair is thick. This is the back. I can't really see what it looks like. What does it look like? Does it look like my hair should be straightened? Like, I'm not gonna see until I record the video, so I don't know. It just looked really thick at the top and then like straight at the bottom. So maybe if I like wet the bottom and then blow dry it. Let's try a ponytail. Now I know and I've seen that when you do ponytails, you're supposed to like flip the bottom part the other way to lay like a seamless flat ponytail. But I ain't going for that right now. So as of now, this is about the only one that's showing. It's a thick ponytail. It's giving, my hair needs to be straight. I mean, my hair needs to be straightened a little bit more and this hair needs to be washed. But it's giving thick. Like, crazy thick. Like, thick and thin. But not bad, not bad. This is what the back looks like. I still have 2 more pieces that I can probably put somewhere. I just don't know where to put them or where to stick them. These are the 2 16 pieces, the small ones. I'm gonna try to spray the bottom. And then, you know, when you blow dry hair, it gives it a little more density when it's like blowed out, a little more volume too. So.
I liked you better on the first date. I should have said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it, now you should have been peed. I feel it in my soul, yeah, it's so deep. So deep, you should know.
Friends, so I'm going to show you one side blow out. And it looks much, much better. Much, much better. If you blow dry and give your hair a nice flat iron, it won't be too bad. Because this is one side. Oh my God. Ooh. Child. It's giving I'm ready for the motherfucking It's a Blur tour. It's giving Drake put me up on stage like Kiki Palmer. And I'm giving body like her because she was giving it, baby. Oh! It's giving take a shot with me. Oh, oh, oh. Ah! It's giving. It's like, oh, not in your basement and I'm in love with. Is it not giving girls? Girls. I know everybody's like, we can get the tape-ins, but baby, for the price I paid, come on now. Once you gotta pay to get the tape-ins in, pay to get the tape-ins out, it's motherfucking giving. Take your nose on my keyboard. What you following me for? There's a room for love. Hey. So let me show you the difference. This is, okay, let's see. Can you see really good? All right, so this is one side blowed out. I had to blow it out, put a little heat in my blow dryer, blow it out, spray the bottom of the hair so that it's not like giving like a nude. It was giving bundle and we didn't need that because we needed to match as much with our texture. So I had to wet it and then blow dry it. And this ain't even straightened, this just like blow dry. So this is the difference between both sides. See how it kind of gives like it gives like a height difference? No, y'all. This is giving in July. There were fireworks exploding. Now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Now what does it look like now? Does it look better? Let's do a comparison. Can we do a comparison? Was it giving better? You don't have to tell me nothing, friend. I came through in clutch with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. The link will be in my description box. I'm so thankful for everybody. Hurry up and go get it in before it sell out. Hurry up, it's gonna sell out.